Do you work in an office? Consider for a moment how many IT devices and accessories you touch, share and contaminate during your 9 to 5. You could be touching up to 30 objects in the office every 60 seconds. When just one office object is contaminated by bacteria or viruses that cause infectious disease, workplace transmission occurs rapidly. In just 4 hours, the virus can potentially infect up to 60% of workers in the vicinity, having devastating effects on employee health and productivity. Even if your office hires regular cleaners, they are simply not qualified to deep clean and disinfect valuable ICT equipment, which is proven to harbour nasty contaminants and built-up grime. Don't let a highly contagious virus or seasonal influenza cripple your workforce and threaten your company's reputation. Find out how CompuClean's extensively trained, uniformed and security-cleared technical cleaners can reduce the risk of cross-contamination in your workplace and position your company as an employer of choice. Visit www.compuclean.com.au to request your free info pack today.